So I am back on this channel again with another high achiever for the day. We have with us Dr. Swikriti Dash. She has a rank of uh, 39 this year in the exam, and she has done so well considering that this exam is the most sought after exam for doctors like who would want to get into central institutes, and more than 60,000 students appeared for the exam this year, and she has a rank of 39, which is an awesome achievement. She has been a DAMS 3-year student, and we are really excited to interview her. So let me just invite her into the studio, and let's see, what is her side of the story. So
Hello,
Swikritri,
sir. Good evening, sir.
good evening. Tell me, how are you feeling today, and what was your reaction when you saw the results?
Sir, I'm totally elated, sir. Sir, when I saw the results, I obviously didn't believe. I took time that I checked it multiple times. I couldn't believe my eyes, but then it sunk in, and I'm very happy now.
And how was the like? See, before the exam, it was so unpredictable when the exam would happen. So many delays were
Yes,
happening. Were you perturbed or disturbed by those delays? And
yes.
any thought on that?
Yes, sir. I was a bit disturbed, sir. Actually, the earlier time the exam was scheduled to be, they had hardly given like 18-20 days to prepare, but still I tried my best. I revised everything, but just 2 days before the exam, they say that again it is postponed. So that was very disheartening. But then again, sir, I took it positively. I felt that okay, let's revise this time. I have more time, so I tried to revise everything, and then it all went out well.
I think that last minute postponement was actually without any reason. I think nothing to gain out
Yes,
of it. It was just another 30 days. But
yes,
at least now it has happened and it is done and dusted. So,
yes,
please tell me about your journey with DAMS. You joined us in your third year, I suppose, and how that
yes,
journey
sir.
has unfolded so far.
Yes, sir. Sir, to be very honest, at that time I was not very seriously preparing for the exam. I was just that time my focus was just to take down the notes, and also I made sure that I was very attentive in every class, and I tried to understand everything. And like whichever subject was going on in our regular classes, like at college, I used to read those notes only. So that helped because sir, I knew what the most important parts of the subjects. So that helped in my also my professional exams. And so that's it. I took down the notes, and actually I seriously started preparing for the exam after my internship, like last year, October. Before that also I was trying to like balance both internship and this, but after my internship, there was this 6 to 8 months, I rigorously prepared for this, like 6 to 8 hours every day I devoted to this.
Beta, one thing that I want to know from you, and I've seen this a very common feature with all the top rankers this time, that all the top rankers were making notes from third year onwards, and they had their own handwritten notes. They were
Yes,
attending in
sir.
the class making notes, and nowadays you see a fashion of buying notes. What do you think?
Yes, sir.
What is more
No,
useful?
sir. Obviously, sir, handwritten notes is must, sir, because that's where, sir, half of the work is done. So when we just attend the class and take down the notes, sir, I would say like I hadn't revised all the notes, but still during even my internship, I could remember those moments from the class itself, that how sir was saying, how sir was explaining a particular concept, and I had written it, I understood it, and I written it. So that helped. Obviously, I would say that handwritten notes is must.
Actually, what is happening is when you are making your own notes in the class, what is happening is a memory is being formed in your mind, which
Yes,
not only remembers that line, it also remembers around that line what was happening, what the
yes, sir,
teacher was
totally.
saying. And I
Yes,
keep meeting toppers who would say at that time teacher was, maybe showing the valvular motion by
yes, sir.
hands, or teacher was saying some story about a patient.
Yes, sir.
Although they may not have written it down, but that is the entire memory in total. So when you revise your notes, everything comes back to you, while
Yes.
if it is written by somebody else, it is just a line and no thinking process behind it, and that backfires most of the time. So I think, I'm so happy to hear from you. And do you think that starting early has helped you to reach to the stage where you are in top 50 in the Central Institutes?
Yes, sir. Sir, I think, sir, I joined in the third year, so that was a good decision. So, yes, and so most importantly, I would say from the first year itself, we should just make sure that we get our concepts right. Even if we are not preparing, like keeping in mind the PG exam, but whatever the textbooks we have to read, and we have to get our concepts right. That's very important.
And that is, I think, one of the most important things that we have heard today by any topper, that, although, toppers, after they get a top rank, they can become very smart and they can say, अरे कुछ पढ़ना नहीं होता, आखिर में हो जाएगा. But she's very honest and she's telling you कि first year में भी पढ़ना होता है. And I totally agree. And I have, always seen that, the problem area that the students are facing is not in the clinicals. It is actually in, they don't know physiology, they don't know anatomy, and they keep struggling. So it's a very good message that she has given. Even if you're first year student, please try to understand the concepts. I think that is very important. And
Yes.
yes, better go on.
Sir, nowadays many these young undergraduates, they feel like they can substitute the textbooks with any notes or something. So that's not the case. That should not be done. That's not at all advisable. So we should read the textbooks, and the any kind of coaching notes, DAMS notes, for example, it should be a supplement. It's very good resource, but it should be a supplement to the regular textbooks.
And definitely, we would like to tell you that when we say DAMS notes, it means that you sit, understand, and write down with the
Yes.
teacher. So, a lot of people are nowadays getting confused that, so after the interview is done, they will start saying, sir, how can I buy it? And, so I have to tell them that it's
Yes.
not about buying, it is about an exercise that we do together. We will teach you, you will understand, you will write down something. And that is what the toppers are talking about. That buying concept is not so easy. You can't buy success. You can't get into top 50 by buying a book.
Totally.
You have to, read it also. So I think, that is the, message that we can get from the topper today. And better, after the foundation years, did the test and discussion help you to further get the MCQ skills?
Yes, sir, obviously, sir. The test, so I used to regularly appear for GTs, and sir, that helped me. And so I used to take time in analyzing every GT, like what went wrong, and even the correct ones, because I used to revisit the thought process which occurred while answering the question, so that I knew that okay, my approach was right. So I knew that. So for that, I used to appear for test and analyze it, taking time.
How regular were you in the tests, and what were your ranks then when you gave a damn CBT or a GT? What were your ranks, so that other people can compare with you?
So for GTs, sir, I used to be in the top 100. So that was a thing. I had it in mind. Like, so you said once, like, once you see yourself in the top 100, you'll always want to be there. So that was there. I used to, and 1-2 test, I think I may have got that little bit that, right? So then I used to feel bad that इस बार नहीं हुआ मतलब 100 में. So that was there. So CBTs, so the first CBT, I think I got 300 something rank, and so then so towards the end 100 something, 200, like that rank. So exactly I don't remember, but that was the range.
And were you happy with the revision short courses that we have, like DVT, AIMS capsule? Were you happy with them?
Yes, sir,
And
very. Sir, I would like to say something. So the November INICET which I appeared, so honestly, I was even reconsidering sitting for the exam. So because I felt like I was not prepared up to my satisfaction. So, but then, so you and ma'am, you came live 1 week prior to the exam, and so you said that you told us what to revise, that DVT and the previous year. I just did that DVT, AIMS capsule, and the previous year. That's all I did, sir, and I got a rank of 675. So, sir, that was very encouraging for me. Yes, sir. And you said, sir, so one thing you said, that don't rule yourself out. So that was one thing I kept in mind while going to the exam, that I won't rule myself. I would try to solve the question to my maximum ability, whatever I know. So, yes, sir.
Were there any moments in the entire journey of yours in the last 3 4 years where you felt that I am not good enough or मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी या लोगों ने आसपास बोला कि नहीं होता? Were there any moments where you felt कि नहीं होगा and then you came back? Can you tell us about that?
Yes, sir. So before starting the journey, during my internship or before even that, so we used to feel like it is very difficult to crack a seat for the NEET PG or Central Institutes or whatever. So, sir, at that time I had self doubts. I was not sure if I would be able to do it or not. But so then, as the journey started and as it progressed, I became more and more confident, sir. Yes, sir.
So
And
do you think like
yes,
I had a question here and maybe we can hear you there that like do you think that some people they lose the game just because they rule themselves out? Because
yes,
uh,
sir. Yes, sir.
I see this happen all around, especially in peripheries, or somebody
Yes,
would
sir.
be from a college where there is no example of a rank before, then they will become a little, they will rule themselves out without trying.
Yes,
What are
sir.
your
So
thoughts? Can you
yes, sir. Yes, sir. That is the one thing that should not be done, because that's where it takes us back. Like, we could have performed much better, but just because we think we can't, it takes us back. So that's it should not be done. We should always think that we can. We can. Because it is actually possible. I would say to whoever's watching that yes, it's actually possible. We have to just believe in ourselves and keep doing whatever we are supposed to do.
because somebody would have somebody would say कि ये टॉपर तो ऐसे ही बोलते हैं, होता तो नहीं है, and like this. And so can you tell us more that like, because it's a very important question that a lot of people I feel lose out on the battle even before they start preparing because they have no belief in themselves, and because of that lack of belief they also don't believe in teachers also. The teacher is telling them to study, that whatever I'm teaching will come in the exam. They don't believe it. जैसे अरे ये भी ऐसे ही कहता है, किसी का नहीं होता, और वो कॉपी भी नहीं पढ़ते. And then 2 years later they come back and say, sir वो सब कॉपी में था, मुझे मैंने
Yes,
पढ़ा
sir.
क्यों नहीं? So
Yes, sir.
that kind of, I think there are two elements, and these two elements are actually critical. One is trust in your own abilities, that you are as good as a human being as anybody else and you can do it. Number two is trust in your mentors. Like, and I
Yes, sir.
think if that can be done fast, the results are better. Please,
Yes, sir.
tell me, like, when did that phase came for you? Like, when did you start trusting that okay, these are the right people who are telling me, teaching me?
Uh, Sir, so when I started preparing seriously, so I had my senior roommates and few seniors. So my roommate, she told me that whatever sir is saying, sir and ma'am are saying, just follow that, you will do it. So that's when I thought that okay, I'm going to do this and only this, whatever y'all are. So the notes, especially the notes is the most underrated, but yet it's the most important. Like, if we revise the notes again and again, it can take us like scores above. Yes, it can
And
create much difference.
I like to add here is that like how DAMS has grown from 4 or 5 students in 20 years back to all over India. We have so many students now is only because of word of mouth. It's like if you look at the word of mouth, like your friend told you, and I am
Yes, sir.
sure that now there will be few students who would be close to you and who will
Yes, sir.
listen to you and they will trust you because they know that
Yes, sir.
it has worked out for her. And that is what we believe is the most best form of marketing, is like if your own people, if your own students speak for you, and that is what we strive for. And I'm very happy
Yes,
to
sir.
hear your story today. And Swikriti, it's like I also want to know from you, how many questions did you attempt in this year's exam?
So I
What
left 7 questions.
7 questions? And like any thought about the exam? Was the exam up to your expectations? Was it more difficult, more easy, more one-liners? What was it? Tell me
So
about it.
I felt, sir, actually, before the exam, I had attempted for the GTs and the mock test. So that was difficult. I found it difficult, like the questions are complex. So when I went to the main exam, I found it easier. Yes, I found it a bit easier. And sir, I had planned to do like 30 minutes, 40 questions, but I found that I was going at a greater pace because the questions were a bit direct. and one-liners, many one-liners were also there. But sir, also there were many questions which were alien to me. So yes, but overall, I think it was a bit easier than the November instead.
I think this time it was less time consuming. I think because of the
Yes,
short
sir.
length of the questions, so people could do it fast. And
Yes.
do during the exam, did you feel that this is my exam, this time I will just rock it, or it was a mixed feeling?
So I didn't think like that. I just kept on doing like I had in mind. I didn't have any high expectations from this exam because this requires a very good rank. This entrance. So sir, I just went on thinking that okay, I'll get a paper to solve and I'll do that to the best of my ability. So sir, that's all what I did. Uh,
And I would like to add here that this particular exam that you have cracked, I just want you to know, is going to give you access to seats all across the AIMS, all across the different PGI, JIPMER, and NIMHANS. So your rank is good enough to get you a very good clinical seat in the central institutes. Any thought on which branch are you wanting to take?
so I have three subjects in mind. So radio, derma, and pediatrics.
So it is like medicinal branches, but terminal branches. You want to
Yes,
finish it
sir.
in 3 years,
Yes, sir.
no DM entrance.
Yes, sir.
I think
Yes,
that is
sir.
the logic behind it. Radiology is a good branch, and that I can say for sure. And even dermatology is a very good branch, very coming up. Pediatrics is good branch. But out of the three, pediatrics is the one which is going to be more heavy. Other two are the
Yes, sir.
more lifestyle intensive,
Yes, sir.
easy branches. So let's see. Do let me know what you join later on. Also,
Yes, sir. Sure.
I want to now dig deeper into the mindset. Like, we've understood the exam preparation, the notes making, the test, but like, what makes you the high achiever that you are?
So I think consistency
I think that is one
and
very
hard
important
work.
thing. I think that is one very important thing because I think there is a saying that I keep repeating in my class also that talent, the hard work can beat talent if the talent doesn't work. So it's like,
Yes, sir.
some people may say that they are intelligent, talented, but if they don't work hard, the people who are
Yes,
working
sir.
hard will beat them with persistence. And I think,
Yes, sir.
that is
Both
the
of it
beauty.
is equally important, sir.
Yes.
Talent and hard work.
But if you don't work hard, then the talent
Yes,
itself will
sir.
not work for
Yes,
you.
sir.
So you need to have that combination. So
Yes.
tell me about, like, more about how many hours a day were you studying? How many revisions were you able to manage?
Sir, I studied for 6 to 8 hours per day. When the exams were nearer, uh, I increased it up to maybe 8 to 10 hours. So that's my maximum.
Okay. And
Yes,
is
sir.
that like 8 to 10 hours of matlab, proper study? Is like
Yes, sir.
that, that
Proper.
is what you target? Okay, very good.
Yes, sir.
And
Sir, there would be sir days like I won't feel like studying, and they would just pass on time like that. And there would be days like you say, high days. So at those days, I tried to cover maximum possible. So overall, it was
overall, you were able to
average.
like
Yes.
push through. Yes. And were you like, during the journey, did the results and the exams, did you ever feel overwhelmed by this that you were like, I only want to get into AIMS, or was it like, I want to do my best?
Sir, yes, sir. I wanted to do my best, and sir, I had my subject preference. Sir, I always wanted a radio or derma, or if not, then pediatrics. Nothing. I didn't want to compromise on that on the subject. So that's what kept pushing me. Always, I would ask myself that would I settle for anything else, and then the answer would be no. So I would have to, even if I did feel like studying, then I would push myself to.
Hey, talking to you, I am already feeling that I'm talking to a future radiologist.
Thank you, sir.
I'm sure you will be getting it because at this rank, the number of seats are pretty good in this exam. The good thing that they have done by combining all the central institutes is that the number of seats have become good to play for. Had it been an only AIMS exam, only PGI exam, things would have been more dicey. Now with the number of seats together in one bouquet, I think it's very interesting.
Yes, sir.
And I'm very hopeful for you, Vita. And do you have your parents around or your
Yes,
mother
sir.
around? Maybe we can
Yes,
talk
sir.
to them.
Yes, sir. Oi.
Is that your brother?
Yes, sir.
Okay, get him on as well.
Sir. 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 Are you? Dolphins?
नमस्ते आंटी, हाउ आर यू? बच्चे ने बहुत अच्छा, आई थिंक व्हाट आई
Sir, one sec.
गुड आफ्टरनून सर।
गुड आफ्टरनून, गुड आफ्टरनून। मैं क्या करूंगा, मैं मेरे को हटाऊंगा स्क्रीन से ताकि आप पूरे फ्रेम में आ जाएं। मैं चाहता हूं आप बच्ची के बारे में कुछ ऐसा बताएं कि उसने ऐसी हार्डवर्क कैसे किया। थोड़ा सा आप बताएंगे तो और बच्चे भी इंस्पायर होंगे। मैं अपने आप को स्क्रीन से हटाऊंगा आपके लिए।
नहीं, सबसे पहले मैं आपको इंस्टीट्यूट को वी आर ग्रेटफुल टू द इंस्टीट्यूट दैट इंस्टीट्यूट हैज गाइडेड लाइक एनीथिंग। वी आर वेरी क्लोजली मॉनिटरिंग द स्टडी ऑफ आवर चाइल्ड। she is only one thing I can say, that she is very consistent in his preparation, and the particularly the coaching which she got during her internship is really helped her. And one more thing, that the CBTs which were conducted is really of very good standard. उसमें तो जो आफ्टर CBT वो उनका जो रिएक्शन है बेटी का कि मेरा एक्सपेक्टेशन का हिसाब से मार्क नहीं आ रहा है, तो उस टाइम में हम लोग यही बोल रहे थे कि डोंट वरी, दिस इज द मॉड्यूल दे आर सेटिंग टू प्रिपेयर यू फॉर द वर्स्ट इन द एग्जाम। तो वो एक बेनिफिशियल ये रहा है
सर। बहुत बढ़िया सर। आई थिंक बिल्कुल यही सेम थॉट है हमारा भी कि पेपर हम इतने अच्छे स्टैंडर्ड पे बनाते हैं कि कोई एग्जामिनर उसके मुकाबले में पेपर में हमारे बच्चे को नहीं फंसा सकता। सर मम्मी से भी एक बार मम्मी का भी एक
वो तो ऐसे ही बचपन से थोड़ा मतलब बहुत जिद्दी है अपने पढ़ाई में। ऐसे जो उसका चाहती है ये करके दिखाऊंगी, मतलब दिखाऊंगी ऐसे। इसीलिए वो जितना मेहनत कर सकती है अपने हिसाब से वो पूरा अच्छे से वो ये मेहनत करती है। थैंक यू। वो तो आपकी ये
आई थिंक हम उसको जिद बोलें या उसको उसका पैशन बोलें, वो एक ही मतलब आई थिंक उससे जिद है कि उसे रेडियोलॉजी करनी है। और अब इस रैंक पे मुझे लगता है कि वो 100% अपनी ब्रांच अपनी पसंद की करेगी। बहुत बढ़िया, मुझे मतलब आप सबसे मिलके बहुत ही अच्छा लगा और बच्ची के भी जर्नी को सुन के भी बहुत अच्छा लगा। मुझे लगता है कि ये आगे भी और भी अच्छा करेगी, आगे भी मतलब आप इसका नाम और आपका भी नाम, टीचर्स का नाम, पेरेंट्स का नाम, सबका नाम रोशन करेगी।
आप सबके आशीर्वाद रहे उसके ऊपर ही।
बहुत ही बढ़िया। बच्चे कुछ आप कहना चाहते हैं, कुछ और फ्यूचर एस्पिरेंट्स के लिए आप कुछ मैसेज देना चाहते हैं एंड में कुछ ऐसा? आई थिंक आपके लिए भी एक इमोशनल मोमेंट है, लेकिन मुझे लगता है पेरेंट्स की खुशी को देख के एक मजा आ जाता है आज के दिन में।
सर आई वुड से सर वही मतलब सब जो बोलते हैं कि नोट्स है, नोट्स पढ़ना है, GT देना है और सर कीप रिवाइजिंग, सर दैट्स इट, दैट्स द मेन थिंग दैट्स टू बी डन। यस सर।
एंड मैं सिर्फ एक ही चीज कहूंगा एंड में, ट्रस्ट योर मेंटर्स। आई थिंक दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। आई थिंक जो हमने सीखा बच्ची के साथ भी कि अपनी एबिलिटी को भी आपने ट्रस्ट रखना है और अपने टीचर्स पे भी ट्रस्ट रखना है। कहीं ऐसा ना हो टीचर पे भी शक करते रहो, अपने ऊपर भी शक करते रहो।
Yes, sir. So the notes, sir, at first it feels like maybe it's less than required because it's very crisp. But sir, one must trust the notes because only while solving the questions I realized the amount of efforts that you all, the whole dance faculty, must have put to make the notes so crisp and so like rich, so concise, and so that was like notes पढ़ने से ही सारे questions हो जाते हैं सर। तो वही that trust we have to keep.
बच्चे वो ना, हम जब डैम्स में टीचर हम कई बार इकट्ठे बैठे होते हैं ना, तो हम वो याद करते हैं रामायण में ना, जिसको पता नहीं होता ना कि क्या वो बूटी लेके आनी है, तो पूरा पहाड़ लेके आ जाते हैं। हमारे पास ना कि 20 साल से कर रहे हैं ना, हमें पता है क्या चाहिए, तो वो
Yes, sir.
दूसरे लोग पहाड़ दिखाते कि ना फोमो ले आते हैं, बच्चों को डराते हैं कि ये भी करो वो भी
Yeah.
करो, उससे कई बार
Yeah.
टाइम बहुत खराब कर देते हैं कई बार। एंड आई सी अ लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स हु कम बैक एंड से सर ये तो 2 पेज में आपने बताया था और
Yes,
मैंने
sir.
50 पेज खरीद लिया और बाद में पता चला 2 ही इंपॉर्टेंट थे। दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। आई थिंक बहुत ही मजा आया बच्चे आपसे बात करके। बेस्ट ऑफ लक, आप टच में रहना, कोई भी डाउट हो
Sir, I
काउंसलिंग
would
के
like
बारे
to
में
meet you
जरूर बात
once.
करना।
So I would like to meet you when I'm in like Delhi.
पक्का पक्का पक्का। एंड मम्मी पापा को भी साथ लेके आएंगे, मिठाई लेंगे हम आपसे जरूर।
Yes.
और दूसरा मैं चाहता हूँ कि कोई भी आपको क्वेरी होगी ना जब ब्रांच के बारे में, तो दोबारा भी बात कर लेंगे, तो आपको लगे कि बात डिस्कस करना रेडियोलॉजी के करियर